Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change name in Stumble Guides. So without further ado, let's get started. So we will find an option to change our name here. So first of all, we'll go to settings and there is no option to change your name here. It should be on the top. Go to customize. If you go to customize, there is an option to change color, emotes, animation, footsteps. But okay, so here's the option to change your name. Click on this, click on the pen icon. Now click on this pen icon again. Now simply put your name here. So I'll just put my name here. Click on OK. It says your first name change is free. Okay, so if you want to change it another time, maybe it will be paid. So I will just change it right now. Click on free. Okay, so it says name already taken. So I will just change it and put some number just to make it unique. So this one is already taken. I will just put 555. Okay, so it's changed. So that's how you can do it. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.